cloud hackers. If we analyze cloud security, the key issues of trust, multi-tenancy come up. The very fact that cloud is there to share the resources between many tenants, that itself is a cause for lack of trust. Unless this trust is brokeraged well by the providers, and unless the customers can trust a provider that his or her data will be safe, the provider's servers would be safe, the cloud security will remain an issue. There are many issues of whether the data on the cloud is encrypted or not. For example, the data stored on Amazon Web Service, their simple storage services, S3, is not encrypted. It is stored as is. Unless we choose it to be encrypted, data is stored as is. So, if the data is encrypted, the confidentiality issue will be solved. Even if the hackers get access to data, it would be meaningless. It would be scrambled. So, unless encryption is done for all the data, security is an issue. And of course, there are compliance and regulatory issues as far as banks, insurance agencies, and other organizations with sensitive data are concerned. Cloud, by its nature, stores data anywhere in the world. The whole village, the whole world is an iVillage. But compliance and regulatory issues might want to make sure that the data of an organization is within the country or within the campus of the organization. So there are some problems of how the data is stored. On the other side, clouds are hugely complex systems. Beneath the cloud, there are a lot of details which are very difficult to understand from a user's perspective. But the best part is, the user need not understand the implementation details of these complex clouds. Cloud, by its own nature, abstracts these implementation details. How the cloud works, how all these services over the cloud are provided, the user need not know. He only needs to understand how the cloud functions, or rather how he has to use the cloud to get his work done. So, the implementation part is decoupled from the functionality part. The complex cloud, or the way it is implemented, is decoupled from the easy functionality of the cloud. So, the cloud is easy to use but difficult to understand. And the best part is, cloud security is a tractable problem. It's a well-behaved problem. Cloud by its own nature is well-behaved, so cloud testing is easier, cloud auditing is easier. If an organization migrates to cloud, they would find that auditing would be much more easier and convenient compared to the traditional auditing. So, cloud has both its own advantages and challenges. And as former Intel CEO Andy Grove always used to say, only the paranoid survive, and it is very true in today's world of cloud.